How to solve share content to view insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can solve share content to view insights on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically the issue over here seems to be that when you first set up your professional account, it will give you some of the ways on how you can actually complete your professional account. So the first one, basically we have completing our profile, which if you complete it you will not see this information. Then you have get inspired, you have grow your audience, introduce yourself. And the other one that you're going to see is share content to view insights. So what does this exactly mean? Because you can see I don't have that error at all. That is because I have already fixed it. So share content to view insights means you know that professional accounts have a wide variety of analytics that they can view of their content. But if you don't have any content in the Instagram profile, how can Instagram provide your followers and the audience's data to you? So it is simply telling you that if you want to view the insights of your professional account, you have to at least share 3 to 4 videos or posts on your account. Now because in my case I have already shared multiple likes such as 9 or 10 posts, you're not seeing this. You can see a bunch of videos I have, and if I want to view insights I just have to go to the professional dashboard section. So what it is basically saying is that you need to post at least 4 to 5 posts on your profile. After that you will simply remove that option that says share content to view insights, because now you have a couple of posts on your specific account. So hope this video helped you and answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.